Get ready. New orders came up. Locate storage facility and burn it to the ground. That's your objective number 1. Enemy presence in the area is larger than expected. To earn more, destroy as many hostile units as possible before neutralizing the main objective. Watch your 6 and good luck.
Roger that.
Target locked.
Chopper going down.
I'm hit!
Target locked. Target locked.
I'm hit!
Fighter destroyed.
Target locked.
Direct hit on the target. It's going down. Objective completed.
Target locked.
Target destroyed. Mission critical target destroyed.
Anti-tank missile online.
Ground target neutralized. Mobile radar system neutralized.
Target locked.
Ground target destroyed. MRL neutralized.
Target locked.
Enemy vehicle neutralized. Target destroyed. Objective completed.
Air-to-ground rocket online. Target locked.
Ground target neutralized. Ground target destroyed.
Target locked.
Ground target neutralized. Ground target destroyed. Flight leader reporting. All targets destroyed. Mission complete.
Good to have you back. Head for debriefing.